Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your Quest Diagnostics bill. Online billing guide step by step clearly. First, find your Quest Diagnostics bill and locate the billing account number and the statement details. Make sure you also have a valid payment method ready, such as a credit card, debit card, or bank account information if available. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and type Quest Diagnostics billing into the search bar. Click the official Quest Diagnostics website result that mentions billing or patient billing. On the billing page, look for an option such as Pay Bill, Pay Your Bill, or Billing Portal and select it. If you are asked to sign in, choose Sign In if you already have an account, or select Create Account to register. To create an account, enter your email address, create a strong password, and follow the prompts to verify your identity. If you prefer not to create an account, choose a guest payment option if it is offered on the portal. Enter the required bill information, such as your billing account number, invoice number, or statement ID exactly as shown. Type your last name and other requested personal details to match the bill to your records. Double-check every character you entered because a small typo can prevent the system from finding your bill. When your bill appears, review the amount due date, and any listed services or adjustments. Select the amount you want to pay, such as the full balance or another available payment amount. Choose your payment method and select card payment if you want to pay with a credit or debit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code carefully. If the portal offers bank transfer or ACH, select it and enter the routing number and account number accurately. Confirm the billing address details and make sure they match your card or bank information to avoid declines. Look for an option to save your payment method only if you are using a private device you trust. Before submitting, review the payment summary screen for the total amount and the account being paid. Read any authorization text so you understand that you are approving a one-time charge or transfer. Click Submit Payment or Pay Now and wait on the page without refreshing or closing the browser. Watch for a confirmation message that says your payment was successful and shows a confirmation number. Take a screenshot or write down the confirmation number for your records. Check your email for a payment receipt and keep it in a safe folder for future reference. If you do not receive a receipt, return to the portal and look for payment history or statements to confirm it posted. If the site shows an error or your payment fails, verify your details and try again once. Then contact support if needed. For help, use the Contact Us or Billing Support link on the Quest Diagnostics billing page and explain the issue with your statement info. Finally, log out of the billing portal and close your browser, especially if you used a shared computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.